everyone, welcome back to Earth and Space. Today we're going to be talking about constitutions part numero 2. So here we go. Libra is our next constitution that we're going to talk about. Libra also lies in the southern sky. This constitution means the way of scales in Latin. And then the symbol is right there for all of you to go ahead and watch, as well as the picture that I left there as well. To Rome's, Libra stood as the scale of justice. They picture in their mind that the scale was being held by the goddess of justice. We talked about her briefly in our Virgo constellation, so they think that the goddess of justice is standing and that she has two weights like this, and that this what is holding. So that's what they picture when they see this constellation. Our next constellation that we're going to talk about is Scorpius. This one is also in the southern sky. Uh, well, by the name we know it represents a scorpion. And then the symbol is right there, as well as the picture down below. In the Greeks, they said that this constellation was identified as the scorpions that killed Orion. Um, because it did kill Orion, they showed the scorpions a sort of like honored, and they added her up to the sky to kind of honor the scorpions because they killed one of the great kings. Sagittario, let's go. This one is also other southern sky. Um, this one represents like an arch, sort of like arrows. If you guys see right there, the symbol, it looks like two little arrows kind of pointing the same direction. This one is mainly because there was, let's say there was like a man that was born half man, half horse, which they were called centaurs. And he was born because of the rise of the sun and the moon. One day, that centaur was shot by a poison arrow by Hercules, and that's why there is our arrow in the sky. Remember, guys, these stories are all based on what people wrote, people thought they were about. Doesn't necessarily mean that that's the reason why that constellation is there. There's a lot of different stories, a lot of different myths about why each constellation is there. Capricorn. This one is also located in the southern sky, and it means goat. Yes, goat. And then the symbol is right there along with the picture. It kind of looks like a triangle, right? But it's supposed to be Pan. Pan was a god that, in order to flee, he was trying to escape the monster of the river. He jumped into the ocean, turned himself half human, half fish, and then he followed and he actually warned the god of the ocean. And as a reward for him, he was rewarded into the constellation, and that is where we get our Capricorns. It's after Pan, the goat slash fish that saved our ocean god. Neat. Really crazy stories, right, guys? Really crazy. Aquarius. This one is located also in the southern. All of these are going to be located in the southern, guys. Um, this is this actually means water barrier or cup barrier, and the symbol looks like two little signs of water. This story behind this is that Zeus called over his pet eagle to grab um, Ganymede and take him to the top of the mountain where he was supposed to be a servant to the gods. One of the men named Roberto thought that the origin of Aquarius was in Egypt. He thought that Aquarius represented the Nile River. He also thought that Aquarius was the god of the Nile River. See, guys, I'm telling you guys, there's millions of stories to why these constellations are up in the sky. There's not just one story that represents, there's a lot of stories. Pisces. So Pisces here is another constellation that is in the northern sky, and this one means fish. It means fish. And then if you guys can see the little symbol, it looks like a fish, right? Pisces is one of the constellations that is known since ancient time. In Greek, this says that the fishes were related to our Pino and Eros. They jumped into a river to escape the monster. In some versions of the story, the gods turned into fish and swam away. And this is where we get our Pisces, to honor the fishes. Because it said that the fishes actually helped those gods escape. So we honor the fishes. So moving into today's assignment. For your assignment, everyone, all you have to do is answer the questions that appear right there. Just answer those questions and then send them over to me to my email address. If you guys do need anything from me, you guys know where to go. Other than that, I hope you guys all continue to have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys all very, very soon. Bye, everyone.